Well, hello, thank you for joining me today on the topic of picking your builder. These days, we're not only experiencing shortages in material and labor, but shortages in good, experienced builders. So you really need to do your due diligence and take time to do some research on the builder that you're considering. Texas is one of those states where builders are not required to be licensed, for example. It's funny, the person that's cutting your hair in Texas has to be licensed just to do that, but not the person who is building probably one of the most important investments in most people's lifetime. So here's some things for you to think about in choosing a builder, especially if you're going to be building in areas where there's no city or county inspections. One of the things you need to ask is, how long has the builder been in this business or industry? Have they ever run a home building business? Ask for their lender, material suppliers, and past customer references. If they get defensive, you need to move on fast, because any reputable builder will be happy to do this. That's just common sense. And I'll tell you a lot about them anyway. They won't do that. They might be kind of tough to deal with. What is their warranty program? Is it a 1 year? Is it a 2 year on workmanship and materials? In Texas, Texas only requires builders to provide a 1 year warranty. So most builders here will just do that. Are they providing you a 10-year structural warranty? Believe it or not, most lenders are no longer requiring a structural warranty in order to make a loan. So many builders no longer offer that one either. And you'd be surprised to know that some states only require the builder to provide a 90-day warranty or even less. Some of the best builder warranties that I've seen are a 2-year builder warranty, which covers workmanship and materials for 2 years, and a 10-year structural. I mean, that's about the best I've seen. Another big question to ask, okay, now you've learned what their warranty is and you're happy with it. But the biggest question to ask is, well, who's carrying that warranty? Is there a third party insurer of that warranty? You want to make sure, that if something happens to your builder, that there's a financially strong third party to take over the warranty program. Should, for example, you have a structural failure. And, many small and mid-sized builders, if they do give you a structural warranty, for example, are self-backed or self-insured. In other words, they get forms and contracts and agreements from their local home building associations that they agree to adhere to. But it is what it is. It's all on paper. That home building association is going to come fix your house if there's a problem. So if your builder goes out of business, you're just left with a sheet of paper. You also need to find out what their building process is like. For example, if you own a lot, will they come out and do a lot evaluation, which is very important to do to help, design the house that best fits that lot and give you an idea of the cost to build on it. Will they guide you through the plan design with a plan designer or architect? Do they have connections with design centers or interior decorators, designers that can help you make selections? Also a big thing is ask for some sample contracts and documents that you're going to have to sign that they use for you to review. And I'd get your lawyer, to review them too. One thing for sure you'll find, and your lawyer is going to not probably like the contract anyways, that it's very one-sided. But you're going to probably have a hard time getting them to change anything. So that's where the importance comes in doing your due diligence on the builder. If you're going to have to sign this contract that's very one-sided, you want to know that they have a good reputation among not only their peers, but vendors and lenders and people that built homes that they built homes for in the past. And also by reviewing the items, the documents, you might see something outrageous in there that's just totally unacceptable to you. And to your lawyer, and so it's better to know up front than to get deep in the process. Y'all arrive at a price, you spend all this money, and all of a sudden you get this contract you like that the builder's not going to change. So So know these things up front. This is again why you need to check the references before you get really deep into the process. Just know if you want to keep moving forward with them. Finally, after doing all that I mentioned, you're going to learn very quickly the builder's bedside manner. That's very important. You want someone who's going to listen to you. You want someone that's going to be approachable and not make you feel like it's their way or the highway. And it'd be terrible for you to go and along and end up in some home you're not happy with. It needs to be a two-way street where both of you listen to each other. You may have a dream on what you want done on the home, but you should also listen to your builder on if it's a good construction practice to do it. And then put your heads together and figure out if there are other ways to make your dream work and not break the bank. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I hope this was helpful. I just discussed some important things for you to think about. I'm sure you'll come up with other questions. So good luck until next time. This is Jim McCauley. I'm a Texas broker, and I'm a building your lot consultant. And until next time, I'm signing off. We'll see you later.